Hello guys, I will tell you about the site which reduce the plagiarism, and plagiarism is a very bad thing if you have in your article or in thesis. It is very necessary to reduce the plagiarism from your thesis, from your article, and it should be less than 17%. If it is more than 17%, your paper will be rejected, your thesis will be rejected. So today I will tell you about the site which reduce the plagiarism. It is duplichecker.com slash article dash rewriter dot php. So that site can reduce the plagiarism of your article. For example, I have written a book of advanced biochemical technique which contain 161 pages and plagiarism of 30%, which is much higher. I want to reduce the plagiarism of that manual. So manual of advanced biochemical technique. So I have to taken the around 500 words of that book. Then I can easily rewrite by using that site. Here I will put that into the that site. And now I will check the uh, I will rewrite the article by using rewrite article link. It will take some time to give you result. 9%, 18%, 45%, 55%, 64%, 73%, 82%, 91%. Here you have the result of your 500 word, and here is the rewrite version of your 500 words. This will reduce the plagiarism from 30% to around 10%. You can copy it and again paste it to reduce the further plagiarism. You can check the grammatic mistake by grammar check. You can check the grammatic mistake. It will take some time to check the grammatic mistake, and it will tell you about the all grammatic mistake present in this paragraph. Here you have to click on grammar check. It will tell you about all the grammatic mistakes present in that paragraph. Also, you can see the mistakes in the other color. So this is very useful site to reduce the plagiarism from your article and thesis. You can use it, and it will very helpful. It is not very helpful for the 100% plagiarism. It is not 50, 40 or 30% plagiarism site. So you can easily reduce from 40, 30% to 10%. That's all. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और लाइक कर दें। That's all.